Okay. Lilla Puss-boken. Read by Luna. Okay. Pussa.
Grising.
Pussa.
Pussahunden.
That's right. Pussa.
Blackfisken.
Pussa.
Ormen.
That's right. Pussa.
Grillen.
Gorillan. Pussa. Lejonet.
Remember Nearlet.
Lejonet. Pussa. Oj. Pussa.
What?
Grodan.
Gruden. Garden.
Pussa musen.
Pussamusen.
Och pussa.
Katten.
That's right. Och sen är det puss på.
I wanna
Wait, puss på.
puss.
På dig.
No,
Okay, now the next book. The Going to Bed book. Okay, should we read it together?
Yeah.
Okay, you start.
The Going to Bed book.
Okay,
I want a movie of
afterwards. The sun has set.
it long ago.
Now
Everybody
everybody
goes
goes
below.
below.
Now everybody
And then
goes
over here
below.
to take a bath.
And one big tub. Soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
That's right. Turn page.
Turn the page.
They hang their
They hang their towels on the wall. Hang
and find pajamas.
big and small. They brush and brush and brush their teeth. When the moon is on the rise, they all go up
To
exercise.
Which one's your favorite?
Pink.
Which one's Papa's favorite? The lion. Which one's Fisher's favorite? That's right, the bunny. And Mama's favorite is the moose.
What about
I'm down once more, but
not so fast?
on their way
To bed at last. And somebody turns off the light. The moon is high. The
sea
is deep.
and they rock
And they rock, and they rock, and they rock.
sleep.
I want a
Say-
movie of it.
You will. Okay, say good night.
Good night.
Good night.